Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 8 of Subaru Impreza Tamiya 1 to 10 RC assembling. Up to now we are arrived here. What? Oh, yes, of course. And what we are going to do in this episode. These are fenders I have made from scratch with plastic, and they are almost finished. This is the support part for the flexible one. I will cut some pieces of tire tubes and glue here in order to have flexible parts and complete the fenders here, and so when I put the body on, the fender will touch every part on the body, and in case of shocks they will not, I hope that they will not crash. Quite fragile. They are flexible, just a little bit, but not too much. And this is the first time I do something like this. And so this is first work for today. Then you have the slideshow, and you can see how do I did. Then I want to put a little exhaust. And Subaru has a large part, the expansion camera, then the tube that's come out. It is all straight. I don't want to do all the... Oh, subscribe! I don't want to do all the tube, but just the last part. So in aluminium, polished, and so on. And this will be the second work that I will do in this episode 8. So, give me like if you like, and have a nice time with the slideshow. I'm arrived here. Have you see the fenders are the glue is drying here too, and I am quite satisfied. You see, it is not, it doesn't arrive here, because from here to the body I will put something elastic like a tire tube cutted and so on. I've seen that they are also quite elastic, and it is good for shocks. These are very fragile. It's not this material. The tube is arrived. Thanks to this material I can finish my fenders. By now I have cut these parts that I have to put here, to glue here, then cut. It's a long work. The first thing I have made, I closed some holes here and I think that they work very well. You see that it's soft, the movement of the suspension is free, but we have a little bit more protection, front and rear. Perfect. Now I have to glue the large part, this one, from here to here, cut, and it's a good work. Never made something like this. Thank you to the virus, we have to stay home, and so we can do good works. Okay, keep on going. Fenders and exhaust are finished. I am very happy for this. It's not so nice to see, it's not so precise, but exhaust enjoys me a lot. I made it turn around the suspension, and we have also this. Very, very nice, and on the body fits perfectly. It goes down very smoothly, contacts everywhere. The body is still covered with protection, plastic film, and I was right. You see here, in this zone, this is spray. When I have painted the exhaust, a little bit of spray on it. Fortunately, it is protected. When you have to work, remember, this is the last thing to take off. And hey la, always please subscribe. Front fenders, rear, and the car is very compact. Very happy for this. Now we have to think about the body, interiors and outside. So for today it's enough. Thank you very much for watching. I'm very happy for the work. Look here, but this is better. Oops, oops, here. Very happy, very happy. Remember, subscribe, give me like if you like, tell your friends, tell everybody as usual, and up to the next with the body. Bye 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 bye.